In this video, we're going to look at getters and setters and how they can help simplify some of the code that we've actually already written. So if you've followed some of the other tutorials I've done here, we set up the player health bars, and we're currently looking at a button that does damage. But we're going to simplify this with getters and setters. And if you're familiar with Python, this is going to be pretty similar to the property decorator in Python, the getter that is. So let's go and implement this in our player script right now. So we currently have this variable of current health. I'm going to pull that up here and we're going to keep it as that, but we're going to turn this into a setter and a getter. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a set on the value, and then we're going to reset our current health. It's going to be equal to a clamp on the value we're passing in, and then it's going to be between 0 and our max health. So it's never going to go above or below 0 and our max health. We can also actually update our health bars in this as well. So we're going to do one check to make sure that the node is ready. And then if it is, we can tap into our progress bar, which we're going to have to bring in as an onReady variable. We can do it for both of these. And then we can go into our progress bar and then change the value to our current health. And we can do the same thing with our texture progress bar and set it to our current health. Then we're going to do the get, which all we're going to do is return our current health, which this is what would be similar to the app property in Python. Doing this allows us to simplify our code where we no longer are going to need this take damage method. So we can get rid of that. And then in our level, instead of doing this player.takeDamage and then resetting the progress bars, all we're going to have to do is do player.currentHealth. We'll do just minus equals 20 as an example right now. So if we go and play this test level now, we can just press damage and everything works as shown. And just to show this a little bit more, we can add some print statements in here so we can actually use the getter as well. So we'll do print player health before damage, and we'll do this for after damage also. So now we're just going to be getting that current health value. So now if we play this, you can see over here in our output, we start taking damage, it's going to properly be reducing, and then when we get to 0, it can never go below 0. This is a quick showing of how we can use getters and setters in our code.